Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something very important, how to be happy alone. Being alone doesn't have to mean being lonely. In fact, solitude can be one of the most powerful and positive experiences in life. So, in this video, I will share with you 7 motivational lessons that will change the way you see solitude forever. By the end, you will feel more confident, more peaceful, and more in love with your own company. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Change your perspective first. Happiness alone begins with perspective. Many people think being alone means something is wrong, but solitude is not emptiness. Solitude is space. When you shift your perspective, you understand being alone is a chance to recharge, to know yourself better, and to grow stronger. Remember this, being alone is not a weakness. It is a gift of freedom. Lesson 2. Build a friendship with yourself. Ask yourself honestly, would I want to spend time with me? Being happy alone means learning to be your own best friend. Start by doing little things you enjoy. Cook a meal for yourself. Write down your thoughts. Take yourself on a walk or even a solo date. When you treat yourself kindly, you stop searching for constant validation from others. You learn that your own presence is enough. Lesson 3. Discover the power of silence in today's noisy world. Silence feels uncomfortable, but silence is powerful. When you are alone, use that quiet time for reflection. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or simply sit in nature. In silence, you hear your true thoughts, your real feelings, and your deepest dreams. And that is how you build inner peace. Lesson 4. Create. Don't just consume. Many people spend their alone time scrolling endlessly. But real happiness comes when you create something. Paint, write, play music, start a new project, or learn a new skill. When you create, you connect with your inner world and express it outside. This turns solitude into a playground of creativity instead of a prison of boredom. Lesson 5. Invest in self-growth. Time alone is your chance to improve yourself. Read books that inspire you. Exercise for your health. Learn a new language. Take a course or practice mindfulness. When you invest in self-growth, solitude becomes your university. Every hour alone is a step toward a better, wiser, stronger version of yourself. Lesson 6. Set your own rhythm. When you're alone, you have no pressure to match anyone's speed. You can wake up early or stay up late. You can eat when you want, move when you want, rest when you want. Happiness alone comes from enjoying this freedom. Your life, your rhythm, your rules. Instead of asking, am I doing what others expect? Ask, am I doing what feels right for me? That's real independence. Lesson 7. Practice gratitude and connection with life. Finally, the secret to being happy alone is gratitude. When you're alone, notice the little things, the warmth of tea, the sound of rain, the feeling of fresh air on your skin. Gratitude reminds you life itself is your companion. And once you see the beauty in small things, you'll never feel truly lonely again. Conclusion. So my friends, remember these 7 lessons. Change your perspective. Build a friendship with yourself. Discover the power of silence. Create. Don't just consume. Invest in self-growth. Set your own rhythm. Practice gratitude. Solitude is not something to fear, it is something to embrace. It's in solitude that you find strength, clarity, and true happiness. So next time you are alone, don't say, "I'm lonely." Say, "I am free. I am growing. I am alive." Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational lessons. Stay strong, stay inspired, and remember, being alone can be the start of your greatest journey.